Hey guys, it's Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport coming from Guaranty RV Supercenter. Today we're going to take a look at a Torque. It's a 2020, it's a 281. Come on inside, we're going to take a look at the inside. Okay guys, on the inside in here, one thing they do is they got real nice cabinets. Lots of nice cabinets, they're adjustable. This one has the ceiling fan inside with the real high ceilings. You got the double beds in the back. It's got the patio that goes off the back. A ceiling fan, which is nice, ducted AC through the top. It's got the real comfortable chairs, the big refrigerator. It's got one giant sink with a cover, the microwave, big bathroom. It's got a king-size bed up front. There's a lot of things to talk about on the inside of this. Give me a call. We can talk about the inside. Hey guys, back here on the outside, one thing you notice about the Torque, it has Asdale. Give me a call. We can talk about that. This has two slides, the bigger fuel station. It's got the generator. They set up a little higher. There's so many things to talk about on this. My number's on the screen, or you can email or text me, but give me a call. We can talk about it. Thanks again for looking.